Albert app transfers usually fail for one simple reason. The app can't verify your linked bank account fast enough, or your balance drops below what the transfer system expects at the moment it processes the request. That matters because Albert doesn't process transfers like a traditional bank. It uses an automated system that checks your account connection, available funds, and routing status in real time before it releases money. By the end of this, you'll know why Albert transfers fail, how to fix the most common issues, and what to check so your next transfer actually goes through. Start with the fastest fix. Open the Albert app and check your linked bank account status. If it shows reconnect or update required, the transfer will fail every time until you fix that connection. Relink your bank through Plaid inside the app, then wait a few minutes before trying again. If your bank connection looks fine, check your available balance inside Albert. Transfers can fail when pending transactions or holds reduce your usable funds. The number you see as your total balance is not always the number Albert can actually send. Next issue is timing. Albert transfers can fail if you trigger multiple transfers back to back. The system may flag repeated requests as risky activity and block the transaction. In that case, cancel any pending transfer and wait a short period before trying again. Also, check your receiving bank. Some banks automatically reject incoming transfers if account details don't match perfectly or if they flag the transfer as unusual. If that happens, try sending a smaller amount first to test the connection before retrying the full transfer. If nothing works, reset the connection entirely. Remove your bank from Albert, close the app, reopen it, and link the bank again from scratch. This clears most hidden sync errors that don't show up on the screen, but still break transfers. Here's the simple breakdown. A failed Albert transfer is usually caused by a broken bank connection, insufficient available funds, or a temporary security block. Fixing the connection and verifying your usable balance solves most cases. Do this next. Reconnect your bank, confirm your available balance, and retrieve a small transfer first before sending the full amount. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on common banking app problems.